morning, guys. I will share with you my mortgage calculator program. So for this mortgage calculator, I set up four main classes, or main class, our mortgage calculator class, mortgage report class, and console class. So when I start building my program, I set up all my methods here inside of main, which is no good. So the principle to have a clean code is to do not exceed 20 lines of code here in your main method. So I create classes for that, just to separate, you know, the methods. So here in our mortgage calculator class, we have these methods. We have current, calculate balance, calculate mortgage. These are my main methods. So in these methods uses another methods like get remaining balance, get monthly interest, get number of payments. And you can see here, this is a constructor for our class, for my class, mortgage calculator class. And then we have here our fields, which are declared as final, so we can now modify these numbers. We have another, we declare here another fields, principal, annual interest, and years that we're going to use here only in this class because we declare as a private. We have our mortgage report with these methods. So we have here our fields. Then we have this constructor method. Then we have print payment schedule and print mortgage schedule as a method. So here you can see the code, the instructions. And then we have our console class that's basically to obtain input from the user. So we have two methods here, read number with only one string. And then we have read number with the string prompt, double, minimum and maximum amount. So we're gonna pass these arguments when we call this method. So we're gonna pass arguments for these parameters right now here. So, and then we are declaring a value as an internal variable here that can only live inside of this method. So we are not able to use value outside of this method, read number. So here we have our infinite loop. So while it's true, it's going to call, this, our prompt. So we're gonna pass this, as an argument, and then we're going to store on value the data we're going to pass. We type in our terminal, and then if this value is between this range, so it's going to break out of the infinite loop, and then we're going to print this line. And then we're going to return this value from this method. So basically, this is the main structure of my mortgage calculator. Here in our main class, we have this main method. We're gonna run our program. Here we want to call our console class. So we're going to instantiate an object of console class. We're going to call this read number method, and then we are going to pass this arguments principal, minimum amount of 1,000 up to 1 million. And then we're going to store this in a object of type integer. It's going to be labeled principal, and this for annual interest of an object of type float, here for years with an object of type byte. And then we have here we instantiate our mortgage calculator object with these three arguments. Then this new is to indicate that we are creating this. We are instantiating these two objects, and then we're going to store it here as a calculator and then as a report. As soon as they are instantiated, we can use the methods that are here for mortgage report, which are print mortgage and print payment schedule. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye-bye.